Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm sharing how I created this ice cream cone Happy Meal. You only need a few supplies and of course things to fill it with, but if you want to see how I created this, just keep watching. So to get started, you'll need a 12-inch by 12-inch piece of scrapbook paper, a scoring board, a scoring tool, and you want the paper that will be the interior part of the cone facing up. So the inside of my cone will be this pink side of the paper, and then the outside will be the sprinkles. So all you do is you line up your piece of paper, and then where you want your border area to be is where you're going to score. So I'm going to score at 2 inches down the entire length of my paper, and then I'm going to go ahead and fold that so that I can see the contrasting papers. Like so, and then we don't need the scoring board anymore, so I'm going to move that. And then at this point, I like to go ahead and get my adhesive of choice. Today I'm using the Tombow Extreme adhesive because I want all of this to stay put and not fall apart in the mail. On the underside of the flap is where you're going to put your adhesive. Like so. And fold it over. So once you have this set up, go ahead and flip it over so the inside pattern of the cone is facing up. And then I like to just practice my little cone shape before I add more adhesive, just to make sure that everything is how I want it to be. So it will wind up looking something like that. I think it's really cute. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and start adding some adhesive. So I like to add it like right along here. This will help hold the interior of my cone in place. Okay. And then just keep rolling it. I'm kind of pressing the adhesive down so it all stays put, and then there is your basic cone shape. You could also add some trim along here if you wanted to. I'm not going to do that today. I wanted to keep my cone pretty simple, but that is what that looks like. And then I just kind of gently press it down a little bit to flatten it, and this should help a little bit with mailing, and then you can fit slightly wider things in there. So that is the basis of the little Happy Meal cone. So let's go ahead and start filling this up. To start, I created this giant shaker wand for my pen pal. I think she'll really like it, and it's really fun, and it could be like a fun decorative piece for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day. And I thought it would be fun to put this towards the back of my cone because then it actually looks kind of like an ice cream cone, and I think that's really fun, and I think my pen pal will really think that's super cute. So before I start that though, I do have some crinkle paper that I want to put down in the bottom, and this will just kind of help fill in the little pointy bit down there and give the items a little bit of height, so not everything just falls right to the bottom. And then I also have some little candies that I picked up that I thought would be fun to include in here as well. So I'm just going to include a few of those. And again, this adds a little bit of height to the inside so that all the other goodies don't really fall down. So I'm going to go ahead and put my rosette in here just to kind of get things started. Actually, I might take some of the candy out first so that this has plenty of room. And then the candies will kind of help hold it in place, which is perfect. Okay, so that is what that looks like in there so far. So I went through my stash and pulled out a bunch of tags that I thought would work for Valentine's Day, and I just packaged them up in a little bag. Kind of my usual little packaging trick with the folded over paper. I did the same thing and went through my stash and pulled out a bunch of different hearts that I thought would be really cute, and then I just held it closed with this little XO paper clip set from Crate Paper Heart Day. I created this little baggie full of paper clips that I thought my pen pal would enjoy. I also made these little heart rosettes, and also I'm going to be including this little shaker pocket. Now I have done tutorials on the shakers, the heart rosettes, the little paper clip baggies, and I will link all all those down below for you guys in case you're interested. And I also went through my stash and pulled out some really cute alphas that I thought my pen pal might be able to use, and some little rosette stickers. So all of these will go in here. Also, I have this gold glitter bow that I thought was really fun and kind of went with the whole theme. So let me go ahead and put some of these in here. And I'm just kind of going in order from biggest to smallest because I think that will work out the best for me because there's kind of a lot going on in here. Like the bow at the front, I think that's really cute. And then the little roses, maybe you can go in the front too, something like that. And I'm not sure where to put this little bow. Actually be kind of cute if I could get the paper clip to hold it in place. And I forgot actually, I did go to the Dollar Tree because I had to pick up more of the crinkle paper, and they also had these heart picks, which I thought were super cute. So I'm going to slide one of these in here too. So I do want to wrap this up a bit so that it doesn't get totally crazy in the mail. And I have this clear cellophane wrap stuff, again from the Dollar Tree. I picked this up during Christmas, so I don't know if they still have it available or not. But you could definitely check, they might. So I'm just going to get quite a bit of this off of here, and then I'm just going to wrap it around similar to how I did the cone. I don't want stuff to be falling out though, it's the only thing. And I'll stay in here, please. Okay, so that's kind of what I got going so far. I'm gonna grab some of this pink baker's twine. Tie a bow at the top and kind of call that part done. And I think everything should kind of stay in there okay, I hope. Maybe I'll just get a piece of washi tape just to kind of hold this plastic in place a little bit better. And then I think that is it. So that is my little Happy Mail cone. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really fun to come up with this and create it. And I hope that it inspired you guys to maybe create something similar for your pen pals. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe down below if you're not already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!